Hi friends, Namaste and welcome back to our YouTube channel Tutor Pratik. In today's CSS session, we are going to learn how to add custom fonts for our website using CSS. As default, we have various fonts that are available on our system while installing operating system. But when we want to give some stylish new fonts for our web text, we have to add custom fonts for our website. And for doing this, we can easily install or embed any fonts for our website just by using CSS properties. But before we start, if you are new to our YouTube channel and still didn't subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell button that you will get notified whenever we publish our new session videos. Now let's begin our today's session. On our previous session videos, we already learned about how to give various default fonts, font size, font color, and more styles for better typography. You can easily find those videos on our channel, and also for easier, I added those videos link in this video's description and also on the I button. Basically, on today's video, we are focusing on font family property and @font face, by which we will learn to give some new varieties of stylish fonts for our website. As @font face rule is supported in most of the latest versions of Edge, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Opera-like web browsers. And the font formats like the TTF or OTF are most commonly supported by these browsers. But other font formats may not be supported as shown in this table. On starting, let's understand what is font family. The font family property specifies the font for HTML elements. It can hold several font names. There are basically two types of fonts family names: generic family, family name. Generic family is the group of fonts whose styles are most similar, like serif, sans serif, cursive, etc. While font name is individual font name like Times, Courier, Arial, etc. We can easily group various types of font in single font family group. For doing this, just we add font's name in the font family property with comma separator, like font, family, impact, comma, times, comma, serif, comma, Arial. The advantages of giving these groups of font is, if in case the system where our website is running doesn't have that font that we give on our first priority like impact, it goes to the second one, that is times. And similarly, if again this font is not available, it takes the third priority font, that is serif. So we can guide the system to use our dedicated fonts for our website contents. If the font name is on multiple words like Times New Roman, we have to give quotes for these multiple word font names. These are the default system fonts that we have almost in our any system. Now let's move to our main topics, how to add custom fonts for our website. We can add any language or styles of fonts for our web content. For getting these fonts, let's go to the website fonts.google.com. From here, we can get a lot of varieties of multilingual stylish fonts. We can search any fonts with their names, or also can filter fonts with various languages, like here we can see that Arabic, Devanagari, Japanese, and many more. For now, let's go for all languages and let's have scroll down to get the stylish one for our website. Okay, for now, I like this to use the dancing script font. Let's click on it. Here we can see that there is also a various font styles for this font, like regular 400, medium 500, semi-bold 600 and bold 700. We can choose any one of the styles that we like. Let's choose bold 700 for now and click select this style. Here we have two options to use any custom fonts for our website. One method is using the link tag, on which we don't need to download and save these fonts on our website. But it won't work while working offline mode. So for using offline mode too, we have another method with downloading fonts inside our website. And first, let's work with method 1 of link tag. For this, just copy this link tag and paste it on our head section of any web page where we want to use this font. And then to apply this font for our text, let's keep the CSS font family roles inside our style tag. Now we can see that our new custom font dancing script has successfully applied for our div content. Let's add one more different stylish font. For this, let's go again into fonts.google.com and find another one. Okay, this time I'm going to use this bold text style font Anton. And for using this font, let's copy the link tag and paste it inside our head section. And for applying this font, let's create another div block with class second and give the CSS roles for this second class. Here we can see that our second div has now font style of dark bold font Anton. In this way, we can easily use any fonts for our website. Now let's move to offline using method. For this, let's try another language font. Let's choose Devanagari language. And inside this, I chose this font, Kalam. As we are going to use this font on offline method, so for this, first we have to download this font. Inside this font, here we have three styles, light, regular and bold. Let's click on this download family button to download all these fonts package. After downloading, let's extract these fonts and add it into the fonts folder inside our website root folder. Now, before we use these fonts in font family CSS roles, we have to define @font face for these fonts. For this, inside our style, we have to add the @font face to give the location and style of our custom fonts. @font dash face font family my Kalam. Here we can give any name for our new custom font family. Like I gave my Kalam as my font family name. Then let's give the font location for this font family. src url /fonts /kalam bold .ttf. After defining the font face, now let's create some Devanagari language text block to apply this font. Now let's give the CSS font family role for this Devanagari language text div of class third. Here we can see that the new added font style had applied successfully for our div content. In this way, we can easily add any language or any style of fonts either by using online or offline method as per our requirement to our web contents. If you have any issues or any problem, you can feel free to contact us through this video's comment section. I will reply back on your each comments and try to solve your issues. That's all for today. We will come back soon with more interesting videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.